You have data outside of AWS and you want to get it into AWS. Why would you ever want to have data outside of AWS? Let's say that you have one of the 50 supported SaaS applications of AppFlow, the AWS product that we're looking at today, and you want to get it inside of AWS, whether it's S3 or RDS, Aurora, the list goes on and on. You have your analytics based in AWS, but you have data outside of that. AppFlow does the connectivity via low code or actually no code to these 50 SaaS services and allows you to import that data into AWS so that you can transact upon it. You would obviously ask the question, like, why do I need an AWS service to do this? I can install a connector on the EC2 instance and run it. I can put it in EKS and run it, etc. Well, one, AppFlow is low code, no code, so your data analytics or data scientists can do this with little to no code. You don't have the overhead of running the service, and more importantly, it hooks into every other AWS service, especially the data services. If I wanted to create a S3 object based on an export from my accounting software that then kicks off a Lambda based off that S3 event, I can do that. Or I can create just ETL from this using these tools. And plus, AppFlow is relatively cheap compared to some of the alternative AWS services. Obviously, I don't want to run an EC2 instance forever to do extraction from apps. And then two, I don't have the overhead of maintaining the code. Every time an API or something is changed with one of the 50 supported services, I don't have to write that translation layer. Pretty interesting solution. I'm sure the basis for other AWS services is relatively cheap, relatively simple, but yet powerful. You want to learn more about the CTO Advisor, you can follow us on the web, thectoadvisor.com. Questions for me or about this or any other AWS service that we've covered or will cover? @CTO Advisor is the Twitter handle. Talk to you next. AWS every day.